Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am Gamion. I will be your game developer for the stream. My co-host Mega Kitty is wandering around somewhere, and maybe she'll be back a little later to help support the show. I'm working on an online multiplayer soccer brawler called Field of Heroes. Been working on it for almost 4 years. Hope to get it done by early next year, if all goes well. This evening I'm actually working on the main menu, that is the new one. Got a bit of work to do here, but it's shaping up okay so far. So with that, let me start by making a little update on what I'm working on. And we shall get started. Alright, so the new menu, it's basically got this background and these buttons, but then there's also going to be some characters in the background. Which are coming soon. So let me find that real quick and show you that. Yes, here we go. So this will be our new background. This is a lot better than the old one, which was just a static image. And you got particles and everything. So I'm starting to bring in, piece by piece, that new menu. Let's save this, step aside. Alright, so we're going to not do the credits menu here. We're going to instead do that and probably in the settings menu. So that's going to go. And then we're going to move the quit button over here. Now I'm going to bring in one of the new buttons to replace that button with. So we're going to not rotate these buttons anymore. Then, where's that new button? Yes. Button main 01, I think will work. Look like it has a lot of white space around it, but that should be okay. And the text. Set that aside. And probably set this aside. Oof. Yep, we're gonna have to make those buttons bigger. And rotate that 5 degrees. Let's do 4 degrees. Okay, it's pretty close. Probably do 3. Three and a half. Yeah, that looks better. And let's take the margins a bit here. What we got? 50. Let's make it 40. Yeah, but now the buttons. Let's do 45. Okay, I can live with that. I'm wondering, I like the shadows, they look pretty good. I'm just wondering if I want outline. I'm just curious. How it will look with outlines? It's too deep. About 1. Yeah. I don't know. I kind of like the shadow better. Yeah, that's better. I need to scale these button sizes a bit. Man, that is really... a lot of white space. Okay. I guess we'll have to make them bigger. Whoa. Wait a minute, I want to keep the aspect ratio if I can. (1024 by 256). What is that aspect ratio? 4:1. So let's make this. By 250. Wait, can I just size the content? Yeah, that's better. Let's do something about these font sizes. Is it even factoring these in? Okay. Okay, we're getting there. Let's bring in the new poles. How big is that image? 1360 by 256. I want to make that a little smaller, I think. Or maybe not. Let's see if we can work with it. Place that back image. it's this one. Oh, that's the one that's down here. That's not the one we want. Top flagpole? Yeah, that's the one. Next one, flagpole 02. Wait, did I get a new flagpole? Let's checking my artist real quick. No, I didn't. Let's see. Okay, no. Okay, it's coming together. I want to make these waving banners. So we have this new asset we can use for that. Let me find that real quick. I think it's one of the first ones, actually. Yeah, that's the one. Animated flags. Save this. So I can probably use one of these, maybe one of these, to drape. Could come in handy. Use something like this. Don't know. I'd rather have a horizontal flag, I think. First game player, welcome. Let's see if we can rotate this. And then make it a little bigger. Flagpole. Like that. Could actually work. Let's rotate it more. I want another one in green, so let me grab that other flag. Let's lock these poles into place. This might not work, but it's worth a try. Rotate it. I'd rather use the same kind of texture. Like, I want to use a red banner, but I want to make it a greenish color. Or vice versa. I wonder how easy that is to do. Is there a neutral banner I can fly? Doesn't look like it. Well, let's see how it looks with this. Alright, I'm going to take out the old background and place it with another background. Let's do... yeah, that's the one I want. Let's lock all of these in place for the moment. think the font is too big. So let's get that down a bit. Let's change the margins back to 85. Okay, a little better. Okay, I think I could probably do a little touch-up on the flags so that they only come from the caps of those planks. But I think otherwise it's not bad. I also think I want to have the flag textures consistent. Font looks good. Shadow looks good. The buttons are not in perfect alignment though. Okay. Alright, so what do I want to work on next? Let's say... Yeah, let's get the... Okay, so, the buttons. Can I have the buttons stack? No, I can't, children. Okay. Unless I use an overlay. For button animations. I would like to try that. Say an overlay. Let's bring that in the same dimension as the quick match button. About here. Oh, but that wouldn't work either. I need a whole canvas. Ugh, that's gonna get ugly. Alright. We just won't do overlays. So instead, we're gonna anchor, let's see, negative 128. Make the positions match for all of these. There. So now the buttons are flush together, but they're not equally spaced yet. From 804 to 998, what's that? It's 194 pixels apart. You should be 1172, 1356, 1540. Okay, so, oh, and I need to put the chains between them, but I'll get to that in a minute. So, I also want to move these into another UI. So we got, close this for now. We'll come back to that. Now this is the background I'm interested in. So really, this needs to go over here. Also, that should be a regular image, not a lazy image. I don't think. What's a common lazy image? okay. No, we don't want to show an unloaded image. We don't want it to be loading. Also, we want a... Oh, we already got a safe zone? No, we don't. I think we need that. Let me check. Oh, yeah, we do want one. It's not too late to put it in. Okay, so let's bring in these elements from here. I think we're done with the button for the moment. I want this. Yeah, these all to move to here. Oh. Darn. I had to copy them instead. Because I need the positionings. And it didn't save the positions. Alright, let's go one by one and update the positions. 2460. Okay, so those should all be in alignment. And now we can take them off the root menu because it doesn't belong there, putting the image background. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, get those aligned to the right side. I'm going to take these buttons out for now. Let me see that again. Okay, so we got... Yeah, let's take out those these two buttons. I know I just added them in the last patch, but no, these don't look right here. Probably put them beneath this, and they need a new style. But I do want to have a wish list and visit Discord buttons. Those are very, very important because I want to get. I want to start. what's called Steam playtest very, very, very soon. So let me take those out of the front end. Yeah, taking these out. Or no, I'll just hide them. Oh, I had the chat in the bottom left. Ooh. Maybe I'll find another spot for that. So those are hidden. And let's make them more hidden. Hey, I thought I hid the wish list. Wait, then what did I hide? Yeah, I may not have to deal with the alignment problem right away. I definitely want to deal with it soon. The alignment problem is that I want all these heroes here lined up on the right side of the screen, not the top left, as it is right now. And now I gotta replace this logo as well, so let's do that next. So where is that anyway? Is that in the front roots? No, not in the background, not in the root. Oh, it's here. Let's hide that. And we'll put in the logo in the background. Let's take a look at that. Yep, that's what we want. Alright, so that's going to create a problem because the banners are hiding it. So what to do about that? We could put it in front of the banners, true. But it doesn't look very good. Now I gotta make it smaller. And I prefer to be behind. I wish I could at least maintain the aspect ratio. I wish I could do that. 1280 by 720, okay, so we can do the math. I may need to move these banners farther out. I'm gonna make that 1280 by 720. Let's give that 790. Yeah, it looks kind of pixelated. This is why you really want to use size of content. I wonder, maybe there's a better way to do this. What if I did a size box? Sure, locking that aspect ratio, which was 1280 by 720, 1.78. You know, it actually does look a little better. here. No, don't move the flagpole. Let's lock that in. And we're going to move the flags down by... Oh, wait, let me get a reference here. Oh no, it's going to crash. Okay, so the buttons are about here. So move these all down. Ah, what's going on with the flags? Alright, well now these are in the way, so let's fix the flags. And the green flag. Okay. The aspect ratio looks about right. Okay, the logo doesn't look terrible. Flags look about right. Oh, the red one needs to go down a bit. Gotta move the buttons down now. Still a bit high. Now they're a bit low. Let's bring them up just a hair. Okay, they're just a... I think they'll be okay there. Alright, so far so good. We got the heroes here. We got the buttons. They don't do anything yet. We'll make that happen, though. I think I'll punt on the animated buttons and just make them do stuff. So, let's go to the root menu here. Let's start making the button. So we'll call this Quick Match. Now let's look at the old route and look for the logic on how that worked. Here's the old menu. Another thing I'm going to support later is navigation with the gamepad. It's sort of a sticking point with me that I believe a player should be able to navigate the entire game without a mouse and keyboard. They shouldn't even be able to pick it up when they start launch the game. That's my belief. And I think that makes a good experience, and it makes it a little more console ready. Alright, we got our button handlers here. Let's go ahead and start filling them out. Gotta add a utility function first. So while I'm setting this up, one of the things I've been doing off stream is create a new video for the State of the Game 2025. So kind of catch up people who are not familiar with the project to what the game is about, you know, how far it's come, and where it's going to go. Let's see, front end. Oh, right. It's front end, quick match. Okay. And for the occasion, I bought a microphone, a desktop microphone that I can use, which is higher quality than my headset, and it's nice to be able to talk in the video without having my headset on. And so far, I'm pretty happy with the quality, I have to say. So let's do this. And practice field is next. And what I'm working on this evening is the sort of the reskin for the main menu, which I decided recently that I want to have for the Steam playtest. And this together with the post-match screen with the MVP, I think it's really going to make a good first impression for people. Okay. Oh yeah, forgot about that. Would you like to fill out a playtest survey? Actually, I'll keep that on hold for now. We'll get to that later. Okay, so let's see if this will start a quick match if I go here. Yes, it did. It will. Okay. But now I need, the buttons don't respond at all. They don't highlight or anything, so I'll need to do something about that sooner rather than later. So what do I do about that? Let's have a look at the button itself. Look at the other existing front end button. How did I do that? Oh yes, I used events. I'm not sure why Unharper do that stuff too. Man, how much CPS does this take? DPS is... Oh, wow. 40 frames per second? Wow. That's a lot. That's terrible. I'll look into that. Alright, so back to the question, hovered. So apparently I have no handling for it. Before I go much farther though, I want to see how much of the CPU is being used by these widgets. I don't think it'll let me make it invisible either. Okay, let's do a quick test. See what frame rate I get when I delete all of these. Oh, well, let me delete them. Wow. Wonder why it won't let me do that. Alright, what if I just didn't show the particles? Maybe it's the particle system. But I doubt it. Nope. It's even worse somehow. Yeah, and it crashed. Well, while it's coming back up, want to give out a shout out or two. Let's start with again. We have our special guest, Just Cavino here. Let's say hello to them.
If like their problem isn't resolved, then that's on me and not on them. I don't know. I like that. It's
I see it's like a different clip every time I do a shout out there. But that's what we do on this stream. We roll out the red carpet. We don't just say, hey, look at this streamer. We actually play a clip. Okay, so back to this. Not button hovering. All right, what are we going to do? I need to have a style for when the button is hovered. So what do we got right now? We got that. However, sound overrides. Not an easy way to just say, hey, let's change the style when we're hovering. Okay. So what should we do? Could start the button a little darker and then make it lighter when it's hovered. Let's try that. I just want to see how Lyra did it. I think they had a big, crazy, complex. Must have something else here that I can use as a button to learn from. Let's go here. What other buttons do I have to look at? Yeah, this was Unreal's version of the button. All this crazy stuff. So let's look at how they did hovering. Unhover. What does their hover look like? I could do it that way. Is that looping? I don't think it is. Okay, let's try something like that. I like that you can resize it too. I think that's probably the right way to do it. Mega Kitty. So what I want to do is on hovered, make the button grow just a little bit. See, what do they do? What's safety do? Okay. Oh, animation. Oh, okay. So they didn't modify the button directly. Oh, they have a glow. Okay, they did all this stuff. Yes, Joscovino, we just caught you lurking. Consider yourself lurk caught. Alright, so let's start by making the color a little more glowy. So we got image button 7. We're going to make the color to be 1. After, like, how soon? 0.15. Say 0.2. And then we'll change this to 1. And we're going to make it grow just a bit. Let's do scale. So scale should be 1 here. And then here, we're going to do something maybe very subtle. Let's do 1.05. Just subtle. Alright, let's see how that looks. Oh, it's not scaling the... Oh. Well, first of all, it's not scaling down. That ain't good. Should play backwards. Actually, we don't want to scale the button. Let's get rid of this. We want to scale the whole thing. But it's not playing backwards. Rats. Maybe do an unhovered. Alright, we'll do unhover. But yeah, backwards should just... Wait a minute. Oh, that's why. This should be 1. Alright, put that back. So for now, I'm going to do this, but I do want to refactor this later for keyboard navigation and gamepad navigation. For now, we'll just do the mouse. How's my CPU usage looking here? Oh, not terrible. I want to get my sound back up. Well, that's good. We're making progress here. gonna fix those flags real quick. They're kind of bothering me a little. So let's go here and shrink that height down a bit. Just so it's just about aligned with the right here. And you too. Green flag. Alright, that's better. Yep, well, I think that's going to be... So that's good. Cancel that. But this frame rate is not good. We're going to look at that next. Also disturbing that I can actually just delete these widgets. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put myself in a position to edit this more easily. So I'm going to close all these and then restart the editor. Widgets and look at our frame rate. Oh yeah, it's good, easy 60. Oh, I thought it'd be bigger, more frame rate than that. Yeah, 90, 100. Okay. All right, that ain't good. So, what next? So now I know for a fact that those animations are eating up a lot of CPU. How do I deal with that? Actually, you know what? Let me unlock all of them first. These are all anchored top left. Let's anchor them bottom right. Okay, that's actually what I want. Or maybe I should anchor him center. Yeah, center's probably better for... Yeah, that's better. Okay, and that goes for the particles too. They have to be anchored that same way. Alright, and what to do about the performance? Is there a setting somewhere I can change to make it a little smoother? Doesn't look like. Now again, this is a third-party plugin, and I'm looking at this code right now to see what I can do to speed it up. Is this it? What's this? What's a widget actor? Oh, that's only for... putting live actors in the scene. I don't think we want that. What else do we have? Google search will find something. That's not what I have in mind. Yeah, they, let's see, right renderer. I think we're on our own for this bug. This is fine. This is smooth. I don't know why it's slow. Well, maybe I should figure out why it's slow through the profiler. But now it's fine. Wait. Oh, probably because I'm in a minimized, or not in a full screen. Yeah, 50 frames per second. Let's try that full screen. Yeah, and I'm getting about 45. Now I get 60. Okay. Maybe the speed's not a big issue then. We'll play in the production build, see how that feels. So back to the menu button here. How is that referencing the menu button bad? I want to speed the animation up. It feels a bit sluggish, actually. Alright, so here we're doing that. Move these back. 0.15. And then this, color opacity. Alright, let's make sure the animation is still set for 0.15. And here we go. Yeah, that's better. Now, can I... Where do I want to see if I can do this hover sound. Is it hover over... Oh, no, actually, no, there's something else I want to do instead. I need to find another one of my buttons. There's hovered. Selected, that's what I want. Okay. Now. But I can't use an arrow. Right. I will need to override the navigation on that. So quick match. Go to navigation. I need to force it to select custom play. So navigation down will be custom play. Navigation up will be quit. That didn't work. Somewhere else in the game. I just gotta remember where. Was it just set focus? Ah. Was unfocused. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I like. That's what I want to see. So let's go back here. Get rid of that custom navigation. Can I just do this? Actually go to custom play. Custom play should take us to practice field. Practice field, take us to settings. Yeah, that's what I want to see. Alright, let me save everything before, in case the editor crashes again. And now we're going to make this down, go to quick match. Then we're going to do the up commands now. Tedious doing this, but I got to do it. Okay, so now we have keyboard animation, which also means we should have keyboard navigation and controller navigation. Why are the ups not working? I must have not set those up right. Up, should go to quit. So why is quick match up not going to quit? So the down directions work. I shouldn't need this, but I wonder what happens if I add it. No, it didn't work. Alright, then let's do play focus animations based on the focus state button. And when we start play, we want to set the default focus. So let's get the... Oh no, we need to do that from the menu. Oh, don't need this function anymore. Set. There, it should give the quick match button focus when it starts. And it immediately got taken away. Do it for a delay. Wonder what's stealing the focus away. That's the containing widget. Alright, I can't do that right now, but that's fine. Okay, but the navigation... Oh, now it's working. I didn't even do anything. That's good. Oh yeah, something else too. Editor preferences. I'd rather have it kind of pulse a bit. Pulse, like a looping animation. Make it more obvious that it has focus. So, let me restart the editor again. Make sure I get caught up in a crash. And still no sign of Missy. Yep, there's that crash. I really need to update this startup banner to be the logo of my game. At some point I'm going to do that, probably near the end, when I need it the least. Okay. Thank you. So my thinking was, we do play animation. Stop animation. Then even better idea. Let's bring this all back. All right, make sure it works as before. Okay, we're going to make a separate animation for the pulse. We're gonna get rid of this. And then just transform. So at maybe 25. And then here, back to 1. also want to make sure we reset the overlay size. Oh, that's much too fast. Alright, let's drag out the animation to a full second. Better. I want it to be super obvious that you have the selected menu item, what it is. I don't want there to be any confusion, ambiguity, and so on. So this is looking good. Question is though, do I want to commit what I have before moving on? Let me look at it again. Oh yeah, something else I want to do. That. Hopefully we won't get it crash again. Let me look at the files that I changed. So we added a bunch of new textures. And we made a bunch of button changes. Alright, so one more time before I decide to commit those changes. So we got that delay loading the texture. Delay loading the widget. That's a minor detail, but I'll deal with that. So yeah, this is our new front end. I like it. This looks way better than let me show you the old menu. Keeping this in mind, let me show you the old menu. And this is what we used to have. Just Lamp of the Heroes. So you got, this was the old way. And with just the menu options on the side, and then this is the new hotness. And I am all in on this. That said, I still want to clean those flags up. Maybe not right now. and I want to have animations, more animations. I want to have the buttons. I want to have them drop from this pole here with chains, so they'll all drop in their positions. I might want to separate them out a little more too. Keep them a little farther apart. Although having the space here would be handy for other special buttons. Now let's keep the spacing as it is. Yeah. Huh. Now the keyboard navigation's not working well. Wow, that's so weird. It's working 1 minute and not the next minute. Yeah, now it's going every third. That makes no sense. Alright, but I'm going to commit this. And how's about I get a quick match in? Yep, so this is the old front end. Yeah, obviously looks a lot different. These are wish list and Discord buttons we're going to have in the new one. I want to play. I'm always playing the same 2 or 3 fields. Let's go to one I haven't played a lot in. I think I just fixed from castle navigation issues. We can probably play here. Now, there's a metagame in this that I haven't implemented yet. But it'll have to do without the metagame for now. No, missed. No, you don't. Oh, just missed it. Oh. Okay, you fool. Oh, ouch. That hurt. How the ball get up there? Do you revisit the nav mission with this? Missed it again. Yes, good catch. And in we go. Psych. Oh, missed that one. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna put us on full screen here. Oh, nice wall. Good job, AI. that goalkeeper smarter. He's getting better. I'm gonna switch characters. I need to test the werewolf a bit more. I just made some changes to him. Way. Nice. The crowd saw that. Oh, I thought I could have gotten him in time. You know how to make catching interrupt weapons? He's doing that, 'cause I don't think he is. Nice. This is gonna be a shutout. By the way, that really ugly server icon is on the post. I should have hit that. We got toasted. Shutout. 30 seconds left. I'll just keep staying with this hero. Yes. No. So. I am the MVP. Oh, I forgot. I want to make a few more tweaks to this screen too. It's great to be MVP. 4-2. That was cool. But yeah, I want to look into that catching the ball. Because if I were a player, I would want catching the ball to override my attack. All right, so back to the show. All right, so let's look at brawler. Cannot possess ball. Yeah, there you go. So let me verify that's the case. So we're going to go to the danger room. Alright, so I'm Prowler. I'm just going to... Oh, I can't catch it. Okay. Okay, so I must have... Okay. Alright, bounced off me. I wonder, what if I did this? I want to catch the ball right after I kick it. Okay, didn't bounce off me, but it did go through me. Okay. And that's on purpose because I want to delay the possession of the ball once it's kicked by a few fraction of a second. That's so that we don't get stuck with you kicking the ball and then immediately picking it back up again when you didn't mean to. Okay, so that being the case, I'm going to start working on the next menu. Yep, this is going to need a change. And I want to hide these guys in the background. So let's go to menu root. Let's go to the custom menu. Okay, so let's make a duplicate of this one with the new buttons. Alright, so where's the buttons? Here, menu box base. Oh, I have two sets of buttons. Two sets of buttons, two canvas panels, I guess. Join, refresh. So it's 4 options. That's really all I care about is 4. So let's take these 4, throw them in here. refresh. Let's create new. Back. Game invite only game. Do something about that. Play offline. And back. We don't even need to have game here. We just say invite only. Or do we? Let's find holes for these buttons. generated binding for that button. Huh. How about that? Okay, so far so good. Where's that in use? Oh. Actually, we want to do button-based showing. That's better. Ah, what happened there? Oh, I know what. We need a guide for those widgets. So let's make some variables here. Say root menu, custom play widget. Setting for this. And that'll be, let's see, root menu widget. Plug that in, back button, menu. changed the wrong one. Oh, yeah, it doesn't matter. That one's deprecated anyway. Refresh list isn't doing anything. Let's have a look at button pressed. Yep, we need that. Yep, on clicked. That's better. Okay, other sounds that we need here. Sound. Added to focus path. I think I need that. Alright. So, where are we now? Custom play. Play offline. Back. Okay. So that's working. What else we got? practice field. So I think the buttons are functional now. So that's good. I did not mean to change this. And usually shouldn't do that when I have the editor running. Okay. Added custom play. New custom play menu. Alright. I want to test that one more time. So once I verify this works, then I want to let's see, probably turn my attention to animations. Or maybe I'll punt on the animations. I want to fix some of the font choices. So one of the things I'm doing right now is rolling out a new font. So the current font, which is called Spicy Pizza, is kind of cartoony-ish. The new font kind of moves it a little more into the less cartoony, but supporting more character side. The Spicy Pizza font does not support like the Enye Spanish character, among many others. So I'm going with Sauna to support that. Custom play, good. Create new, back. Oh, those buttons are too high. Let's fix that. We just want to move down the group. So this thing, well, these two, actually the menu box, we want to move this down like this. Much too high. And they're too low. And I think that was almost on the spot. It's like just like 2 pixels too high. So let's move the top. 906. Let's try that. That's still too high. Now they're too low. Just right. We'll get those animations in later. All right, that player widget in the top right. Yeah, let's change that font. Oh wait, that's... Actually, that might... Oh, I never changed that. I actually I did. Ooh, I better punt on that, in fact. I want to try a few things with both Spanish and Chinese characters. I want to do some tests. All right, let me fix that. Okay, now I think that works. Now you see how they kind of fade in from the right or from the left? I'm going to replace that with dropping chains. They're going to drop from the top here with chains attached, kind of like how we do in the lobby. Let me show you how that one works. Okay, see those chains dropping with ropes, or actually not chains, ropes. But you see what I mean. So they just kind of drop like that. We're going to do the same thing on the other buttons. I'd really like to know why I'm having trouble navigating with the keyboard, though. Okay. Yeah, now it's like skipping every other. Wait a minute. Maybe it was my latest change that did that. Let me commit those other changes. So quick match navigates to my navigation's going. I had this set up earlier, now it's not set up anymore. How did that happen? Weirdest thing. I had that set. Oh, maybe I just didn't save it. Maybe that was the problem. So let's do it again. I want to check see something. Do I overwrite any of the navigations here? Okay. I'll be sure. Let's see that, and then back here, good. That's better. Okay, so now we need to do this for the custom play menu as well. Alright, it works. So I can navigate... Oh, wait, what's the... Huh. I find the enter key for navigation. I thought it was spacebar was the key to press. So let's see. Yeah, I'll have to look into that too. Okay, let's save that change. Fixed root, front end root, and custom play navigation. Okay, so with that, so I've been streaming terribly long. It's only been 2.5 hours, but I want to reclaim some of my Friday night to relax. It's been a very long, very, very busy week. And I think what I'm going to do is raid this off to another developer who's working on lots of game stuff tonight. So let's see who's on the list. Let's see. Ooh. You know who I haven't raided to in a long time is Hypnotic Games. Let's let's pop in their chat and surprise them. So, plan is to do my next stream this coming Monday, and to over the weekend I'll probably work more on my State of the Game video, and got a couple other things I want to do as well. So again, I will see everybody next Monday. Thanks everyone for tuning in this special Friday evening, seeing the new main menu come together. I really like what I'm seeing here, and I'm excited to get it working, so and get it published. So until Monday, have a good one.